Rahul Gandhi.
Thank you. Thank you, Speaker, sir, for letting me speak on this really important matter. Speaker, sir, have you ever wondered why Mahatma Gandhi laid such emphasis on khadi? Why was it that he framed the entire Indian freedom struggle around the concept of khadi? And why is it that he only wore khadi? Because khadi is not just a cloth. Khadi is the expression of the people of India. It is the imagination, it is the sentiment, it is the productive force of the people of Aaj pehnaun khadi. It is the expression of the people of India. Speaker, sir, whichever state you go to, you will find different fabrics. There's the Himachali cap, Assamese gamcha, Banarsi sari, Kanchipuram sari, Naga jacket, and you will find that all these fabrics represent the people. When the people of Assam give you the gamcha, they're not just giving you a piece of cloth. They're giving you an expression. They're giving you a piece of their history, their tradition, their future, their imagination. It's the same when the Nagas wear their jacket. When they come and see us, they make us wear the jacket because they want us to be embraced by the fabric. But Speaker, sir, these fabrics are beautiful.